English phrases explained, in pursuit of. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of a very interesting phrase, in pursuit of. This phrase is common in English, and understanding it can really help you in both speaking and comprehension. Let's get started. In pursuit of is a phrase that means actively trying to achieve something. It is often used when talking about goals, dreams, or even tangible objects. For example, if someone says they are in pursuit of happiness, they mean they are actively trying to find happiness in their life. The word pursuit itself means the action of following or chasing something. When combined with in, it gives a sense of a continuous action or journey towards a goal. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal ambitions to professional goals. 1. She is in pursuit of a career in medicine. Here, it means she is working towards achieving a career in medicine. 2. The explorer was in pursuit of an undiscovered land. This implies the explorer was searching for a land that hasn't been found yet. 3. They are in pursuit of a better life. This suggests they are striving to improve their living conditions or happiness. Be careful not to confuse in pursuit of with being physically chased by something. While pursuit can mean a chase, in pursuit of specifically refers to the act of seeking or trying to achieve something. I hope this explanation helps clarify the meaning and usage of in pursuit of. Remember, it's all about actively striving to achieve a goal or dream. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase in your conversations to sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.